If you want to lock your X, formerly Twitter, profile so only approved followers can see your posts, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on post protection on x.com step by step. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over who sees your content, likes your posts, or interacts with your account. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, go to x.com in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand menu and click on More. This opens up the main settings and account options for your profile. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and safety settings. Next, click Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll find the tools that control who can see your posts, how your media is handled, and how others can interact with your account. After that, click Audience, Media, and Tagging. This section is specifically for controlling your post visibility and tagging preferences. Here, you'll see an option that says Protect your posts. Check the box next to protect your posts to lock your profile. When this is turned on, only your approved followers will be able to see your posts and media. People who want to follow you will need to send a request, and you'll get to decide whether to approve them or not. This is the main setting people use when they want to make their X profile private. Once the box is checked, your changes should be saved automatically. You can now go back to your profile and confirm that the lock protection is active. Keep in mind that this setting affects future visibility, so any new followers will need approval before they can see your content. If you ever want to make your profile public again, you can follow the same steps and uncheck Protect Your Post, and that's it. Your X profile is now locked and better protected. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick guide.